In this video, we will go through the most important Python packages for data analysis. A Python library is a collection of functions and methods that let you perform a variety of tasks without having to write any code. The libraries usually have built-in modules that have various functionalities that you can use right away. The Python data analysis libraries have been divided into three categories. The first group is called scientific computing libraries. Pandas provide a data structure as well as methods for data manipulation and analysis. It allows for quick access to structured data. A data frame is a two-dimensional table with column and row labels that Pandas uses as its primary instrument. It's made to make indexing as simple as possible. In the NumPy libraries, arrays are used as inputs and outputs. It can be applied to objects for matrices, and developers can perform quick array processing with minor coding changes. SciPy has functions for certain advanced math problems such as integrals, optimization, and solving differential equations. It can also be used for data visualization. The next group is data visualization libraries. The easiest way to communicate with others is to use data visualization methods to display concrete research results. You can use these libraries to make graphs, charts, and maps. The Matplotlib package is the most widely used data visualization library. It's ideal for graphing and plotting. The graphs can also be easily customized. Seaborn is another high-level visualization library. It is based on the Matplotlib library. The development of various plots such as heat maps, time series, and violin plots is quite easy. We can use machine learning algorithms to build a model from our dataset and make predictions. The last group of libraries, that is algorithmic libraries, covers a wide range of machine learning tasks from the most fundamental to the most complex. The scikit-learn library includes statistical modeling methods such as regression, classification, and clustering, among others. This library is built on NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. StatsModel is a Python module that allows users to analyze data, estimate statistical models, and run statistical tests.